Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Paul McNeely, and we welcome you as we celebrate 75 years of marching band of Troy University and 50 years of the band known as the Sound of the South. It's now my pleasure to introduce your announcer for today, my predecessor, my mentor, my dear friend, and the voice of the Sound of the South for 27 years, Dr. Bill Kelly.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Dr. Jack Hawkins Jr., Chancellor of Troy University, we proudly present the Troy University Sound of the South Alumni Band. Our show today features music from the earliest shows by the Sound of the South. We open with those magnificent men in their flying machines.
Where's that?
We'd like to introduce our drum majors for today. Drum majors across all 50 years. First, please welcome the very first drum major of the Sound of the South from 1965, Mike Jordan. Now, please welcome our drum major from 1975, Ronnie Mallory. From 1985, Brian Goss. From 1995, Art Williams. And from 2005, Curtis Oates. Also, please give a warm welcome back to the members of the original Sound of the South 1965. And now we present a classic swing tune, I Can't Stop Loving You. We would like to recognize some of the directors from across the 75 years of marching band at Troy University. Unable to join us today are Dr. Carl Borath and Mr. Robert W. Smith. Please welcome Mr. Ralph Ford. Our current director, Dr. Mark Walker. And now, having been hired on Christmas Day, 1964, please welcome the founder of the Sound of the South, Dr. Johnny Law. Next, we feature soloists Ray Smith, Rod Henley, and Rick Kimmel with Rockin' Chair.
What? Rockin' Chair?
and gentlemen, spanning the full 50 years, the sound of the South!
You see the snare drums in the middle?